Few examples on add and subtract roundup, and the directions are telling us write in a subtraction sentence to match the number line jumps. So it tells you you are at -6. So we start at -6. And we jump 5 to the right. So that means it's positive 5. Because we're jumping, anything that's going to the right is going to be positive. So -6 plus 5. And it's telling you you end up at what? So you know 6 is the larger number and it has a negative next to it, so it'll be negative. The answer will be negative, and between 6 and 5, so it's 1. So our final answer to this would be -1. Okay, our next one is you're at -2, so we start at -2, and we want to jump 7 to the right, so that's plus 7 since we're moving to the right. And we look at this, which number is greater? The 7 is, and then it's a positive, so our answer is going to be positive. So we find the difference between 7 and 2, which is 5. So we end up at 5, positive 5. So this is the final answer. Okay, we have our next one. You are at 4, positive 4. So we start out at positive 4, and we jump 3 to the left. So it would be plus -3. Since we're jumping 3, we're going to the left. That means negative. Anything going to the left is going to be negative. So we're jumping 3 to the left. So we have 4 plus -3. So which number here is larger? The 4 is. So our answer is going to be positive. So we find the difference between 4 and 3, which is 1. So our answer is positive 1. So the answer to this is positive 1. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here.